Today we're going to make sushi, and I have my assistant with me, Mandy, and Dehlia. So by doing the sushi rice. First you have to wash the rice. Now you wash it in a bowl and you keep washing it until the water becomes clear. That's how you know you've washed it well. Then you can either steam it. If you have a rice cooker, use that. Or you can use the system I use, which is
a pasta pot.
A pasta pot that you use for pasta. And pour the sushi rice in. It has to be 1 centimeter above the rice. So to it, we're going to add, rice vinegar. About, how much did we pour?
100, a bit over 150, about half a bottle.
150 milliliters of rice vinegar. And we're going to add a pinch of sugar.
A pinch?
Well, yeah, just don't worry.
Like that?
See, you know you're a good cook if you just eyeball it.
Enough?
Yes. And you mix it. You dissolve the sugar.
It's about a teaspoon, I would say.
Exactly. So we're going to add this mixture to the rice. I don't use the lid to close the pot. Instead, I take some foil paper yes. Thank you, Mandy. Shiny side always down. That's how you use foil. You cover it this way. I find that I prefer to cover it with the foil because I find that it steams better. And we put it on the heat. We put it on high heat.
You're using a small burner?
I use a small burner, yes. But high heat.
For how long?
We'll leave it 20 minutes first. Then we will check it. If the water evaporates till about this much, so it's lower than the first pot, that means your sushi rice is done.